guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very exciting Goyard unboxing from while I was in London. This is actually my first video that I'm filming since London. Well, other than my New York vlog, but I wasn't home. This is like my first time filming in over a month, which is crazy, like filming a sit-down video. And of course I had to come back with a bang. Now this isn't going to be like an official unboxing because obviously I already unboxed it while I was in London because I was also traveling to New York and I had to condense, I had to take it out of the packaging and whatnot. So I did film my raw and real unboxing slash reaction on my TikTok, and I posted it on YouTube Shorts as well. So that'll be over there if you guys want to find that. This is going to be kind of like a reenactment unboxing slash review. I'll show you guys what I currently fit in it. I'll also compare it to my other Goyards that I have and talk about why I got it. I'll also be talking about pricing as well because they're very hush-hush about pricing. So yeah, if you guys are excited for this video, then just keep watching. So a little backstory, I purchased this bag at the same Goyard that I got my first and second Goyard bag at back in the summer. It was the London Mayfair store. However, they did remodel slash move to like a bigger location. I don't know if they expanded or what, but I just know it was a new location and it was different than the one I had previously been to. Yeah, but still the same store. There's only one in London. You know what I mean. So going into the trip, I didn't know that I was gonna buy another Goyard. I had been wanting another one. I wanted a bigger one to fit my laptop. If you guys didn't already know, I already own two other Goyard bags and they're both a little bit smaller. One's a different style completely. So yeah, I knew that ideally I would love a bigger version of my Artois PM because it doesn't fit my laptop. I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I got it in 2021, 2022, something like that. So yeah, I definitely could downsize on my MacBook for sure, but I love how big the screen is. So I just thought I would just get a bigger bag, honestly. And then if that didn't work, then I would just have to downsize. So it is what it is. The only thing is I work from home, so it wasn't even like super important for me to have a bag big enough to fit my laptop because I rarely transport it unless I'm getting like my hair done, sometimes my nails done, certain appointments like that, but also like if I'm working at a coffee shop or if I have to run to my parents, or specifically and especially if I'm traveling and I do have TSA pre-check, so it's usually not a big deal. Like I normally put my laptop in my carry-on suitcase that goes in the overhead bin and I don't have to take it out. But if I'm traveling internationally, sometimes I don't have access to TSA pre-check, which is a hassle to like get it out of the bag and whatnot. So I just thought it'd be better to have a bag that I can carry my laptop in while traveling. I also really like to edit on the planes, and it's just like, do I want to get my suitcase out of the overhead bin and dig for it? You know, no, probably not. So I thought I would just get a bag that would fit my laptop plus a lot of other things, and that's exactly what I did. So yeah, like I said, I got this from the Mayfair store and it came in this huge bag. The other two that I got were slightly smaller bags. And it also came in this dust bag. It doesn't come with a box or anything like Louis Vuitton or Chanel or Prada or Dior. It just comes in a dust bag. But I don't mind. I love the green and yellow. While I was waiting in line at the store, I knew, like I said, the model or the style that I wanted to look at, but I wasn't really sure on what color I was gonna get. I already have a green and a blue one. I'll show you guys later. So I was kind of leaning towards a neutral. I didn't know if I was going to get gray, the all black, or the black and tan slash black and gold. I just really wanted to look at all three and go from there. But I'll show you guys what I went for. Here she is. This is the Goyard Artois MM size. And I got the black and tan slash black and gold. So essentially it's obviously all black, but then it's also got tan accents. I love it so much. And I believe this is the medium size, or maybe it's the biggest. I could have swore they have a GM size, but I don't know. But this is perfect. It's very big for like everyday wear, but for traveling and stuff like that, this is going to be perfect. I thought I would love the gray, but I actually did not like it at all in person. And I just really liked the black and gold versus the all black. I don't know, I just feel like it stood out a little bit more. It does look a little bit like Louis Vuitton, but that doesn't bother me. Like, I love Louis Vuitton too. I just prefer Goyard at the moment. But this is the one that I went with. And she is lovely. She is perfect. This is actually my favorite style of Goyard bag. Originally, I was going to get the St. Louis, which is very similar to this, but it's unstructured. So you don't have like the leather at the bottom. It also doesn't have a zipper. This one does. But that one is just very unstructured and isn't gonna last or hold up as long as this one in the long run. And I knew I wanted something that was gonna last me a really long time, especially for carrying like bigger items like my laptop. Like that one was just not gonna last. This one's a little bit more expensive, but so worth it in my opinion, because like I said, I already own this in a different size, so I knew I was gonna love it. And I love that it has a zipper because that's really important for me when traveling. Like when you have to put it under your seat on the plane, you don't want it toppling over and your things flying out. So I love the zipper. I actually haven't even taken the plastic off the zipper yet. It's also got this pocket that's really nice right here. So yeah, I don't have a lot in it right now just because I literally just got back from traveling. I have 2 pouches in here right now. Let me know if you guys want to see what's in my bag for this bag. I just ordered a organizer that should be coming very soon. I also have my wallet, my keys, this that goes on the back of my phone, and my pill organizer. And then I have some stuff in this pocket as well. I'm actually going to pull out my receipts because I can tell you guys the exact price that I bought this for. So like I said, I bought this in London, and obviously their currency is pounds, GBP, whatever. So this was 1,930 pounds. I think originally it's 1,608 and VAT is 20%, but I don't get tax back because London or England is no longer part of the EU, the European Union anymore. So people that are traveling and like buying luxury goods or any kind of good like can't get tax back like you can like say in France or Spain like I did over the summer. But that's okay, I still saved some money by buying it there rather than in America, or like when I was in New York I could have bought this, but I would have had to pay our tax, which is a lot higher. So I don't know the exact amount that I got this for at the time because the conversion rate from pounds to US dollars changes literally every day, like changes like every few minutes, honestly. So let's look at what it would be right now. But I remember when I bought it, my boyfriend, who is from England, told me that this would quite literally be the best time to buy it because of the current conversion rate. Something, I don't know, I just believed him. So I believe I got it for around $2,359. It's honestly cheaper than I thought. I thought it was around $25, but I don't know. So that's what I paid. If you were to buy it in the States, I don't know the exact price. I want to say it's anywhere from $2,400 to $2,500, not including tax, depending on which state you buy it in. And obviously, you can't purchase Goyard online unless you get it secondhand or through like Fashion File or The Real, whatever. So yeah, that's how much I paid. So I did save a little bit, and I'm very, very happy with her. Okay, so for comparison, I brought over my 2 other Goyard bags. One's the same style, different size. One's a completely different style, and obviously a complete different size as well. So if you guys want me to do like a full in-depth video on this, please let me know because I love all my bags. I love all the sizes. I'll definitely do that for you guys. Just let me know in the comments, but I'll just do like a brief overview / comparison. So obviously this is the Artois MM, and then here's my Artois PM. This is gonna be kind of hard to show you guys, but that's kind of like the size difference as best as I can give you. You can find the exact measurements online for sure, but yeah, it's quite a bit bigger. And the strap drop is obviously a little longer. So yeah, this is great for everyday use. I even thought this was pretty big for everyday use compared to what I'm used to. I usually like a smaller bag, but this has been my go-to recently, especially for going to Pilates and having my socks and stuff in there, or like a jacket, or if I need to run errands after, or if I'm going to the package room and I don't want to have my hands full, I can fit my water bottle in here as well. I just did a what's in my bag on this bag, so definitely check it out. But yeah, so I love her. And then this is my mini Anjou. I love her as well. She's very cute. Completely different style. This one's actually all leather on the inside and you can reverse it. This one doesn't have the pocket. It's got a little, I call it a key pouch. I don't know what you'd call it, but there's some random stuff in here I need to like sort through. I forgot this was all in there, but yeah, so I've got this. Compared to this, there's a big difference. This is obviously not like a travel bag. This is just a little everyday bag. I haven't been wearing this one much because I feel like this is more of a summer color, whereas my green one and obviously my black one are more like year-round colors. I don't know if that makes any sense, but here are my 3 Goyards, and I will say that I believe my collection is pretty darn complete for right now. I don't have any intention on buying another Goyard bag anytime soon. I'm very content with my collection as of right now. I definitely don't need like any more colors in these styles. Like if I were to get another Goyard bag, it might be like a smaller one or a crossbody, because I just love the different colors and styles that I currently have in these tote bags. Let me know which one is your favorite. I can't decide. I love them all equally. Obviously, they each have different purposes and are great for different occasions and whatnot. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the black and tan / black and gold. What color would you get? What style of Goyard would you get? Do you like Goyard? Do you not? Currently, it's my favorite designer right now, and I'm really happy with my choice with the black and gold. As you guys can see in the little detailing, you can even see some like tan flecks. I just think it's really gorgeous, and it's a great neutral bag, but it's not like too dark where if I would have got the all black one, it would have blended in like with black, and I don't know. I just like how this one stands out and pops a little bit more. And the gray I just did not like that one at all, but to each their own. I like it when I see it out on other people, but for me personally, I just really preferred this colorway. I love the green. The green's probably my favorite like Goyard color, especially for your first one. I just feel like it's such a classic. And when I went to get the mini Anjou, my boyfriend actually purchased this for me because I was already back home from traveling in the summer, but my boyfriend stayed over. He went and purchased this for me. I was in between the black and tan or this sky blue in this style, and he looked at both of them and he was like, I feel like in the small style you need to get the blue. And I'm so grateful that I got the sky blue in this style, because now I have the black and tan in a bigger version, which I just think looks better. I just don't think I would like the sky blue in this big of a bag, so I'm very grateful. He said he loved the black and tan, but just not in this size. So yeah, now I have all the colors that I have ever wanted. That is it for today's video. Let me know if you guys want a full in-depth comparison. I can go over exact measurements and different specifics like that. I can also do a what's in my bag on this bag as well. Once my organizer comes in, I can show you with the laptop in it as well. And also make sure you guys stay tuned for my London and New York shopping haul. Some luxury, some not luxury, but I'm really excited about it, so definitely stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and click that bell. Upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I hope we see you all very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.